Good morning, YouTube, my friends and family, the DIYers, the get-her-doners out there. Hope you're having a good day today. I want to show you a new tool that I've got, and this is going to be for my painting buddies, if I have any painting buddies out there. Let me show you my new Graco sprayer. The GX 19 cordless, powered by DeWalt. Came with two FlexVolt 6 amp hour batteries. If there's anything I can say to you tool companies out there, it's this: offer your tools with no batteries, tool only. I've got 8 6 amp hour batteries. I've got 6 9 amp hours. I've got 6 12 amp hours. I don't need any more batteries. You need to offer your tools tool only. I've already started painting with this. Has its own little container. That was something that really interested me, the portability of it. It's got a gauge on it. This is your prime button here. Your on and off. Set your pressure here. This is something I'll probably take off. This is a, and I may not can even squeeze it right now to get it off, but that's a ground that if you're painting anything like oil-based paints, stains, things like that, ground it to something because it's flammable. Take your tank off, unscrew it right here, and it just lifts out to clean it. But when you do unscrew this, whatever's in here will run out. Came with the little compact contractor PC sprayer. I already had one of these. I'd have liked to have bought it without that because I've already got one. I'm painting this brown. I've already started right here. This is the first that I've painted any at all with it. I can tell you that it's had no clogs whatsoever. I've had to set it over here like this a time or two. I got it on the golf cart for portability to like move around as I'm painting. And I've set it down, went back to painting, no clogs. It has the FFLP. It's got a 210 sprayer tip on it. As you know, I've got 2 other Graco sprayers. I'm thinking this one right here is going to be a real handy one for me that I'll use a lot for small projects like this, painting the foundation. It's just very portable, easy to move around. I had some painters come in the other day, paint the porches. I didn't want to spray them because I didn't want to get it all over the banisters and stuff like that. This is a house that's getting ready to be for rent. And then I'll have Jeff come back in and trim up for me. But man, you can really pinpoint this. Sorry about all the traffic. I am on this is a busy street right here. I got me a little piece of cardboard here to try to keep getting it on that gutter. The gun is working really good. The whole machine is working really good. But the thing that interested me about it was the portability of it. I got a lot going on today, so not spending a lot of time with this. Jeff's going to come back in and then touch up what needs to be touched up. I'm just trying to get one good coat on it before I got to run and take care of some stuff. Not worried about getting it on the ground because we're going to mulch this. Mulch will cover it up. I will add, it's only 95 degrees out here with a heat index of 105 and a humidity of 95. Oh, it's really pleasant. It comes with a that I've got my foot all tangled up in. I don't care what I got laying out, I'm gonna get tangled up in it. That's for sure. Comes with a 25-foot cord. I'll probably wind up putting a 50 on it. See if it'll handle a 50. Got our first clog. Of course, it has been setting directly in the sun. It is tremendously hot. Oh, I tell you what it is. It helps if you turn the machine on. I gotta prime it. That does help when you turn them on. It's amazing how it works so much better when it's on. So it wasn't clogged. But boy, you can just really pinpoint this thing, and it doesn't get it. I mean, it really does great. It's so calm and still right now, you can almost get by without this shield. I mean, you can just draw a line with it. Works really good. I mean, you can just draw right up next to that. Really good. That's going to be all the painting I'm going to show you. I got to get this thing cleaned up. I figure if you've seen one non-professional with a Graco Contractor Series spray wand in your hand, you've seen them all. I'm thinking it'll be pretty easy. Just pour the paint over into a bucket out of this and fill that thing full of water, start flushing it out, and then put the Graco pump armor in it. I think it ought to be pretty simple deal. I believe I'm going to really like this. This may become my use it all the time spray. I read that it holds 1.5 gallons. I believe of paint. It's got a screen down in the bottom. There's your return tube. I really like it. See if what we used painting that foundation, it's still full. 6 amp hour. This thing is all cleaned up. I mean, the cleanup on it was not bad at all. I just kept flushing water through it until it was running real clear, and then unscrewed this here, and then this lifts off. Then just washed it out real good, put it back on, run fresh water through everything again. And then it's got pump armor standing. You might see it down, the liquid down there. So pump armor has been run through it. So it is stored up for the next time, and I've wiped it down really good. I believe this is gonna be my favorite painter right here. That thing is quick, easy, clean up easy. I'm gonna probably take this off. I'll put it up and keep it in case I ever do spray some oil base or some stain, but I don't foresee me doing that. Put the little red cap back on there just to seal it up so the pump armor don't come out, leak out. So you know I've got the handheld. I've never been a big fan of that. That one's gonna go up for sale right there, half price of a new one. And you know I've got the Magnum Pro LTS 170. Can you see the pump armor in the tube there? I never put them, I don't care if they're gonna set a day or two, I put the pump armor in them. Well, there you go, guys. That GX19, I think that's gonna be my primary sprayer. I believe it's just, man, that's quick and easy, portable. I've really enjoyed that LTS 170. That's been a great sprayer. I've got no kicks on that. Just the battery power, the portability of that new one. Cleaned up really easy. Of course, that LTS 170 cleans up pretty easy because you just hook a water hose in it and flush it out. So, you know, anyway, I just like battery power. When it says cordless on it, that kind of hooks me in. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. Give me some comments. All those good kind of things like that. I'll see you on another video. Y'all have a blessed day.